Morning intention. Starting the day with presence and calm. Before you begin your day, before you reach for your phone, sit and calm down. Close your eyes. Breathe naturally, gently. Ask yourself, how do I feel today? Don't judge. Don't change anything. Just observe. And now ask, what do I need today? Maybe it's calm. Maybe courage. Maybe lightness. With each inhale, imagine the quality entering you with your breath. With each exhale, release what's unnecessary: tension, pressure, urgency. Finish with a soft smile to yourself. This is a new day, and you can begin again. You are the best enough. You are beautiful enough. And this day and this morning, start new beginning.